In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website for free on GitHub. This is a great option if you're looking to put your website online without any cost involved, and it's ideal for personal projects, portfolios, or small sites. Let's dive into the process. First, we'll start by heading over to GitHub's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, go ahead and sign in. Once you're logged in, look for the plus sign or the New button and click on New Repository. This will take you to a page where you'll set up a new space for your website to live. You'll need to give your repository a name. This could be something straightforward like My Website. Make sure to set the repository to public because you want others to see your site. Finally, click on Create Repository. And you're all set to move on to uploading your website files. Now that you have your repository, the next step is to get your website files in there. You'll need the essential files that make up your website. Typically, this includes an index.html file, which is your main web page, a styled CSS file for styling, a script JSS file if you have any JavaScript, as well as any images you want to include. You have a couple of options for getting these files onto GitHub. If you're not too tech savvy, you can simply drag and drop the files using GitHub's web interface. It's really intuitive. Alternatively, if you're familiar with Git and prefer using a terminal, you can push the files from your local machine. To do this, navigate to your project folder in your terminal and initialize a new Git repository with git init. Then, add all your files with git add. Commit everything to your repository with the message using git commit m initial website. Now, you'll create a main branch with git branch -m main. Link your local repository to the one on GitHub with the command git remote add origin, followed by the URL of your repository. Finally, push all your files to GitHub with git push EU origin main. With your files uploaded, we're ready for the final step, enabling GitHub pages so your site goes live. Go back to your GitHub repository and this time head to Settings. Scroll down to the Pages section. In the Build and Deployment section, you'll want to select Deploy from a branch. Set the branch to main and choose the root directory, which is chep imoyent. Don't forget to hit Save. GitHub will take a moment to build your site, but once it's done, your website will be live and accessible to the public. And that's it. You've successfully hosted your website on GitHub for free. Congratulations on bringing your online presence to life.